Welcome to our page about how to combine one or more different things to create a novel combination to get a patent on it. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And this page and the article here below talks about different approaches that inventors that we've served and inventors out in the wild have taken advantage of, pulling things off of the virtual shelf, the physical shelf, putting them together in a novel application and moving them forward to a patent filing. Happens all day. In fact, if you've got one, this could be your opportunity to secure a patent on a combination, a unique assembly. Now, it can't just be unique. It has to also be non-obvious. So get with us to determine whether you have got something unique, non-obvious, and worthy of patent protection today. So book a free discovery call. Click on our Contact Us page. Let us walk you through this, evaluate what you have, and see if it's a bold idea or not. And if it's not, that's all right. We'll help you go back to the drawing board, give you some pointers to make it bold. Everybody have an awesome day out there. Go big, go bold.